Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I crimp my 26-inch body wave wig that I got from the company Locks of Hair. They're located in Chicago. If you haven't already, make sure you go subscribe to my channel. I'll be showing you how I took this look to this. The products you'll need are a crimping iron. My coworker got this for my birthday. I believe she got it from Sally's. It's called Iron. It's probably the best out there. Got to be spray. A slick stick. I prefer the brand Ericka. I believe that's how you say it. Bio Silk. I absolutely love this. I can't last a work day without it. You'll need combs, clips, and pump it up spray if you don't have any got to be spray. This will work just as fine. And you'll also need a hot comb. First, you want to start out with adding a little bio silk to your hand. A little goes a long way. So you just rub your hands together and start getting it throughout the hair, top to bottom, all the way to the ends. Make sure you get the ends. Then you'll start sectioning your hair out and getting your parting spaces ready, combing the hair out smooth, then applying the got to be spray. Then at this point, I realized I forgot to turn on my crimping iron, but the bright side is they literally take like a minute and 30 seconds to heat up all the way to 450. Another perk of these irons, I love them. Take your parting space and make sure you're holding it firm. Clamp onto the first section. I typically like to hold it for about 15 to 20 seconds to make sure I'm going to get that crisp look at the end that I like. And after that, when you move on to the next step, you'll make sure that the iron goes into the last crimp that you created. That way you'll be able to get your unified look that you're going for. And while I'm crimping it, I kind of like to give it a little push up. That way I'm not like tugging on the hair. That way I'm not like pulling out my previous work. You'll take these steps and basically repeat them all the way till you get to the end. And make sure you go all the way to the end. You have to finish it because you do not want any fish hooks at the end. When you get to the end of the hair, you don't have to hold it as long because the hair isn't as dense as it is at the top. Still make sure you hold it long enough to give it a nice crisp look, but you don't have to hold it the whole 15 to 20 seconds like you do at the top. Moving on to this next section, you basically do all the same steps. Look at that. Coming out cute already. Now we're making our way to the top. When I get to the top, I like to smooth it out as much as possible. So I take my slick stick, apply it to the top. You go take your comb, smooth it in. And take that hot comb and get it flat as possible. You can use the hot comb that's on the stove, but I prefer the hot comb with the cord. It's just easier for me to work with. You go take your crimping iron and you're gonna basically do the same steps you were doing with the other pieces. Remember, hold it 15 to 20 seconds. And make sure you're still going in the last piece that you did. Just keep that same pattern going all the way to the end. Look at that. That is just gorgeous. Once you're done with that, you put some hairspray on it since you're pretty much done with the back. Now we're moving on to the front. I'm using my slick stick and I'm be also using my hot comb just to smooth the top out flat as possible and also the edges. I love doing my wig on the mannequin. It's just so much easier than doing it on my actual head because I don't have to worry about burning myself. Look, I'm getting all the way to the scalp. She ain't even budging. Now we're moving on to the sides. Put some spray on it. I'm taking my hot comb and I'm still smoothing out those edges. And basically doing the same things I did in the back to the side. When I first started crimping, it used to take me about an hour to do them, but now that I'm a little bit more used to them, it takes me about 30 minutes to just complete a whole head. We are finally at the top. Almost done with this. We're gonna do the same steps we was doing everywhere else. I finally finished, and it's freaking gorgeous. I decided to install this off camera, that way it wouldn't be too long. Look at me, thirsty. But it is gorgeous, and I freaking love it. Look at the way it came out. So I didn't really comb mine out. I just kind of let them fall as I was going. But it is gorgeous, and I love it. Look how pretty it is. At this point, I was pretty much just feeling myself. Ew. Boom. Look at that. Cover girl. Here's just another clip of what the back looked like. Ew, look at that. Beautiful. I had fun doing this. I love it. Okay, it came out gorgeous. It's beautiful. I love it. I even did good on the baby hairs, and y'all know I suck at baby hairs. But anyway, they done. So thank you for watching. Make sure you go like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.